Hello everyone, welcome to the fall of 2023 Online English 103. I'm instructor Theron, and that's actually what I prefer to be called, Theron, so just get used to it. I'm here to tell you about your responsibilities for the course in short and, most importantly, your first week responsibilities. So the first thing to do after watching this video is go through the Starter Kit module all the way through it until you get to the syllabus, at which point you'll take a very easy syllabus quiz. Right, so make sure you read the syllabus carefully. That syllabus quiz will then allow you to access the Week 1 module and the diagnostic essay. The diagnostic essay is a practice essay. It's due on Thursday at 8 p.m. It's necessary to save your spot in the class. You'll need to go through the entirety of the Week 1 module to understand how to do it. It's not that bad. It's not really something that I'm going to grade very heavily because it's more or less a practice essay, but I do want to see that you're participating in the course. So please go through the starter module, please go through the Week 1 module, remember to do the syllabus quiz, and then finally submit your diagnostic by Thursday at 8 p.m. After you read the syllabus, you'll get a better idea what the course is, but we are in a course in argumentative writing, and it's much, much, much different than what you did in English 101. To this point in your lives, you've been trained to kind of regurgitate and summarize information, but this one trusts that you have an opinion and that you can prove that opinion to an audience. And the course is built around using specific tricks in order to do that. Now, some of those tricks are rhetorical devices, but specifically ethos, pathos, and logos. And these are things that you will watch videos on and read about early on in the course. Proving yourself to be right when you give an opinion means that you have to balance out emotion, working on the reader's emotions, evidence, and the interpretation of that evidence through logic. And this is all about how you construct an argument, not whether or not you're right, etc. It's just about being the most effective person you can to persuade the reader's mind. So you'll get used to that, okay, and you'll go through the list of top 20 errors that I have, familiarize yourselves with that as well. For now, I think that's enough, right? If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me via email. I'm on there all the time. I can get back to you quickly. I look forward to reading your diagnostics Thursday and then working with you throughout the semester. So for now, have a good day and then eventually good Labor Day weekend. Take care.